management doesn't have to be difficult. And at Connect UK, we specialise in making it transparent, simple and cheaper. Every aspect from maintenance and compliance to budgeting and communication, we ensure the best block management experience.
Our experienced team understands the importance of balancing the needs with keeping costs under control.
That's why our tailored services create a harmonious, efficient and well-managed block. From emergency repairs to proactive inspections, we ensure your building stays safe, functional and attractive.
At Connect UK nationwide, we focus on 4 key quality pillars: maintenance, compliance, budgeting and communication. It's this comprehensive approach that sets us apart.
Our trusted network of contractors means issues are resolved quickly to the highest standard, whilst keeping costs down.
Compliance is equally critical. We ensure your property meets all legal and safety requirements, giving you peace of mind and protection of the highest standards. Budgeting is another area where Connect UK excels. We provide detailed financial reports, accurate forecasts and transparent accounts, so you always know where your money's going.
And because communication is the cornerstone of effective management, we keep everyone informed with updates on repairs and important announcements. You'll always know what's happening.
You're not just getting a block management service, you're getting a team of experts dedicated to making your property the best it can be. So, whether you're a property owner,
A developer or part of a residents association,
You can trust Connect UK for your block management needs.
The Connect UK group have got it covered.